everyone. So I follow this content creator, YK. Go follow them. They have some great content about our biometric data and what have you. But anyway, so they are talking about that new one palm system that Amazon has, so that you can, well, hang on, let me shrink myself, so that you can pay for your groceries with your palm like that. Okay, so come here, everyone. I know, we're all busy people. Except, no, we're not, right? What did you do last night? Did you build a village or cure some disease? No, you watched 2 seasons of a show on a streamer that you don't even like, right? But you should give up your biometric data. So what? You don't have to get out your wallet at Whole Foods? I think I can skip this technology unless we're ever forced to do it. Yeah. All right. Bye, everyone.